Hi, my name's Councilman Mike Beyer, and I'm here today with Perry and from the Streets Department. And what are we going to do today, Perry?
We are going to go out and sweep some streets.
So how many sweepers do we have, and how long does it take for us to complete the full sweep of the city?
We have two sweepers, like this one here, Elgin, and we use the Pelican type. This will raise up, we can dump in a dump truck. And it takes, when we do curb to curb, it's six weeks, roughly, give or take.
So Perry, how often do we sweep the streets in Elk River?
Basically twice, spring and fall, from curb to curb.
Are all roads swept throughout Elk River, or is it just the curbs and the gutters?
Yes, nope, all roads. Whether you have curb and gutter, if you pay taxes, and you live in Elk River, we're gonna sweep your street.
Well, Perry, thank you for the insight here in Elk River and the street departments and how we sweep, but I'm really excited to get up in there and get going and see what you actually do.
Yeah, let's do it. And these new ones now are sweet. You get your RPMs up and it's one click of a button.
And away they go, and everything engages.
Everything drops, and then when you go on reverse with your foot pedal, everything picks up. That's the noise you're hearing.
Well, I also noticed that there's two seats because I'm fortunate enough to sit in here with you.
Yes.
So this would probably be perfect sometimes with a husband and wife situation, wouldn't it?
Yes, yeah, exactly. Yep. So yeah, and we started going with the two consoles because of like 193rd, you got that big median, so I'll actually hop in that side and then sweep the center. And so I'm going with traffic all the time, and then I'll get back over here and do the curb side.
Yeah, that was going to be my next question. Is the reason for having two of them? I would imagine it's from a comfort level, but it's also from what side you're going to sweep from, depending on what the street is.
Yes.
What are some of the strangest things that you've found? I mean, seriously, you've had to find something.
Oh yeah, there's been a few. I mean, I find a chain binder I found this spring already, and then a week ago I was sweeping and I looked down and there was a horseshoe laying in the gutter, and I did go buy a lottery ticket.
Yeah, how'd that work out for you?
It did not work out very well. I didn't have no luck.
Okay.
Yeah. So you ever interested in driving one of these?
I think
it doesn't take much. All they gotta do is throw a switcher and you can operate everything you want.
As much as I'd love to, I think I'm going to leave the professional duties to you.
Okay.
I'm not sure the city of Elk River would like to see me driving one of these.
So, yeah.